Having a DUI on my record affect me?
This is one of the biggest things I think people just don't think about, the collateral consequences. What happens after the final rose? Well, there's not a lot of roses handed out here. They're usually jail sentences and stiff probations. The misdemeanor itself is what I call a scarlet letter. It's something that in Michigan cannot be expunged or set aside at any period of time after completing probation or what have you. It's the type of thing that, because it's under the motor vehicle code and not under the criminal code, it's not eligible for certain deferral programs or youthful offender programs or stay out of trouble programs. It's very different because it involves the Department of State, who's responsible for licensing drivers on our roads, which is a privilege, and then the courts, which are responsible for administering penalties for those that violate our laws. And unfortunately, a judge can't say, hey, don't suspend his license, Secretary of State, or don't put points on there, or how about Canada should be able to let you in? These are collateral things that we're not thinking about, but are something that comes with that conviction. International travel to Canada, that's a Canada thing. They will not let you in their country with a conviction for OWI or a like type. I don't control that. Michigan doesn't control that. The consequences are major. Because the reality is that unless and until Michigan sponsors a DUI first offender forgiveness program, these are the types of things that are on your record and you're going to have to answer for the rest of your life. And with that in mind, let's start having a good answer to that tough question of what's this all about? What happened in this circumstances? Show more than just 2019 Dearborn OWI. That's not enough information. What I'd like to have my clients be able to do, and what my clients enjoy the benefit of, is simply being able to say, see attached. And with our plan, how we prepare our clients, how they're successful in court, they've got certificates of completion, cover letters of endorsement and support, character reference letters, community service endeavors, rehabilitative composite picture that if anybody else was looking, wow, I'm wondering about this thing on your record from 1 year ago, 2 years ago, 10 years ago. How does that relate to your ability to do this job or to receive this advancement or this position in your field? You can show that you incurred a bad circumstance and responded in an exceptional way by demonstrating the fact that you are human and we make good choices and bad choices every day, but yet when you make bad ones, you have the wherewithal to rebound in the right direction from it. I think that's the message that my clients walk away with their heads held high, knowing that as definitive as these convictions can be, it doesn't have to be that way for them.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I think that's all of my questions for now.
Thank you, Natalie.